Tricky hose clamps cause many a cut hand or outburst of frustration, but that doesn't have to be the case. The ToolPRO flexible hose clamp tool could save you a lot of bother. Whether it's a fuel, oil or water hose, as long as it uses a spring-type hose clamp, these pliers will do the job. A 630mm flexible shaft allows you to work the mechanism into just about any position you need, and the mechanism itself is effective on clamps up to 21mm wide, with tabs anywhere from 0 to 53mm apart. Once it's clipped over your hose clamp, you're free to release the mechanism and use both hands to squeeze the pliers, thereby opening the clamp. The PVC dipped handle helps you maintain a sturdy grip here, and the ratcheting lock mechanism holds the clamp open when you release the handles. This locking feature makes it so easy to hold the clamp open while you remove the hose. Releasing the clamp is simply a matter of squeezing the handle a little, holding the release trigger, and gradually opening up the pliers. Before you tackle the next service job on your vehicle, think about saving some skin off your hands and grab a ToolPRO flexible hose clamp tool from Supercheap Auto.